Using Payapps is actually really useful because the system receives the applications from the subcontractors, so we haven't got to worry about making sure whether they've submitted them or not. And also it prompts the commercial staff and the engineers to make sure they do their payment notices on time.
You can click on it any time of the day. You can see exactly where you are, what's been certified, and you can see the movement in the month. It's a great tool.
There's a single source of truth. We can see at a glance when an application is received and similarly when a notice was issued. And there can be no question about those key dates, so it's very easy to check.
You know, we can access each stage of the payment, we can see the status, we can realise it in real time.
It's very easy to catch on, you know, once you've done it a couple of times, that's it, you're set.
So it just simplifies and makes the process slicker for us as a business.
So now we've got visibility on everything coming in. There's less chasing, probably none at all, to get the subcontractors to submit their applications. The notifications go out with the same wording, there's consistency of what goes out.
Consistency in the way we make our assessments, the way we validate it internally from project to project, whether that's for our staff or whether it's for our subcontractors. Yeah, ultimately that's what Payapps gives us, is strength in our compliance.
I didn't know how well the subcontractors would receive it. However, Payapps were very good with the subcontractors when they first got involved.
It seems to be no problem at all. We've brought several contractors on and they're all using Payapps with no problem.
Once they started to use it, they found it really user-friendly, and knowing that they just have to submit their payments to one place, it definitely makes it easier for them.
It's minimised the risk of human error for one. Secondly, it's minimised the amount of people that need to be involved within the process. The other benefit of it is being a web-based product. That is superb for us. Right now, we're actually enjoying the fact that we can operate the system and check on payments on the move. So when we were approached by Bouygues to use Payapps, we thought, great, fantastic.
Very much a two-way process. We do have the facility to make improvements, and we want to make improvements that not just benefit us as a main contractor, but also that benefit the wider supply chain.
The support has been really, really good. The onboarding process has been second to none. They've been at hand to answer pertinent questions quite thoroughly, actually, which is fantastic.
As soon as you message in, Payapps actually get back to you within like a couple of minutes, and then they'll always call you as well if it's easier than doing it via the chat.
And just as much as I can pick up the phone and call them, so can any of the team. And Payapps are there, there to help.
Working with us to get the most out of the system.
I'd absolutely recommend Payapps for any main contractor looking to sort of change up their payment process and modernise it. It's a really useful system.
It's definitely made our payment process a lot more efficient, but also it's saved me time.
We would recommend it. It's a great system to work with. It's just an easy tool. It's all there, a couple of clicks.
It's a smarter, efficient way of working. As a subcontractor, I think we ought to be using this ourselves as well with our own supply chain.
So it just facilitates the whole process, I think, and it just makes all of our lives a little bit easier.
I would definitely recommend Payapps. We've had a very positive first year and a half, 2 years of the relationship, and I can only see that going from strength to strength.